Today, I am going to talk about real numbers under the strand numbers and algebra. Real numbers include all the numbers we use in everyday life, such as whole numbers, fractions, and decimals. I will begin with even and odd numbers. Even numbers are numbers that are divisible by 2 without leaving a remainder. Examples include 2, 4, 6, and 8. Odd numbers are numbers that are not divisible by 2, such as 1, 3, 5, and 7. Understanding even and odd numbers helps us recognize number patterns and solve arithmetic problems easily. Next, I will explain prime and composite numbers. A prime number is a number greater than one that has only 2 factors, 1 and itself. Examples include 2, 3, 5, and 7. A composite number is a number that has more than 2 factors, such as 4, 6, 8, and 9. Identifying prime and composite numbers is important in factorization and problem solving. I will now talk about rational and irrational numbers. Rational numbers are numbers that can be written as a fraction where both the numerator and denominator are integers, and the denominator is not 0. Examples include 1/2, 3/4, 5, and 0.25. Irrational numbers cannot be written as simple fractions and have non-terminating, non-repeating decimals. Examples include the square root of 2, the square root of 3, and pi. These numbers help us understand measurements and mathematical relationships. Another important concept is the reciprocal of real numbers. The reciprocal of a number is found by dividing one by that number. For example, the reciprocal of 4 is 1 divided by 4, which is 1/4. The reciprocal of a fraction is found by interchanging the numerator and denominator. Reciprocals are useful in division and solving equations. Reciprocals can also be found using mathematical tables. Mathematical tables help us find approximate values of reciprocals, especially when dealing with large numbers or decimals. This method is useful when calculators are not available. Reciprocals can also be found using a calculator by dividing one by the given number. This method is fast and accurate and is commonly used in everyday calculations. Finally, I will talk about the application of reciprocals in computations. Reciprocals are used in division, simplifying expressions, solving equations, and working with ratios and rates. For example, dividing by a number is the same as multiplying by its reciprocal. This makes calculations easier and more efficient. In conclusion, understanding real numbers, their types, and reciprocals helps us build a strong foundation in mathematics and apply mathematical concepts accurately in real-life situations. Thank you for listening.